Hi, I'm Nokia Locke, Senior Account Manager in APAC at PPRO. I'm thrilled to introduce our latest Almanac Corridor series, focusing on the massive opportunity for APAC merchants expanding into Latin America. With the LATAM e-commerce market set to surpass $1 trillion by 2027, APAC giants are already making huge moves. Inside the Almanac, we break the region down into three essential sections. First, the market overview. We dive into the big six Latin American markets and the booming verticals like retail and gaming. You will see why Brazil's Pix is surpassing cards, and how cash-based digital payments bridge the gap from Mexico's 42% unbanked population. Next, we look at consumer preferences. In LATAM, local payments are the backbone of commerce. 1 in 5 consumers will abandon their cards if their preferred way to pay isn't there. We explore the 5 core payment groups, including the non-negotiable local culture of installment payments. Finally, we give you the payment checklist, an operational playbook that shows you all the things needed to activate, accept, and manage local payments, which covers how to navigate the complex tax and regulatory entity trap using a merchant of record model. Success in this corridor depends on one thing: letting customers pay their way. If LATAM is your next big move, don't wait. Head to ppro.com/almanac to download your free copy of the APAC to LATAM edition today.